There are a couple of things that I want to highlight that you should avoid if you want a drill press table that is reliable and functional. I have listed these below. Small table. Typically, as I have said previously, a drill press table that is smaller than 24 inches long is usually not of very practical use. It will not only hinder you from applying different types of clamps and sizes of stock material, it will also make it difficult to balance a large piece of wood. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best drill press table from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. WinDP8 2412T 24 inches x 12 in. Drill press table. The WinDP8 2412T drill press table is a very spacious option. It is 23/7/8 x 11/7/8, giving you overall 275 square inches of space for your projects. Furthermore, it works very well and attaches easily to drill press tables that are between the 5 and 16 inches in width. It has a couple of really cool features that are worth mentioning. It is equipped with onboard rulers that are designed to maximize accuracy, ensuring that you get very precise cuts. Like any top drill press table, it comes equipped with an adjustable fence that will slide backwards and forwards. This gives you the additional flexibility, especially when you want to drill repeatable holes or drill at various angles consistently. It has a very sturdy 1-inch frame as well, which is great for reducing the overall vibrations whilst drilling. One thing I would like to see improved are the T-slots. If you use a bench clamp, they can very easily rip out of their slots on the first time of use. So you might need to adjust these or install wider slots. Another thing is that the plastic clamps that accompany this drill press table are designed for wind products. However, when trying to install them on a different type of drill press, there are often issues. For example, it does not adequately extend on a Jet 12 drill press table. Number 2. PROXY Micro Compound Table KT70 27100. The PROXY Micro Compound Table KT70 27100 is a very small and accurate drill press table that is designed and ideally used together with the Micromot drill stand MB140S or the Machine Vise MS4. What is super interesting about this option is that it comes equipped with multiple features, such as a backlash controlled by adjustable dovetails, an adjustable ruler, and 4mm x 15mm screws for mounting this drill press table onto a drill stand. It is one of the best XY tables that I have come across on the market, and it is incredibly useful for smaller jobs, whereby you require a lot more flexibility around how you position and move the stock material, i.e. what you will be drilling into. What gets this tool onto this list is that it is able to hold metal at precisely angles and within tiny variations. You can also attach this to the base of popular drill presses using nuts, washers and bolts without much hassle. The transverse knobs work fantastically on both axes, and the table overall is of great use when considering that it will excellent for milling into materials like aluminium, brass or plastic. One thing I would say is because of its size, it is not very suitable for large pieces of plywood, for example, and within the range of XY tables, it is still quite small. Number 3. MultiFunction Multifunction Work Table. The MultiFunction Multifunctional Work Table is a very nice and simple drill press table for basic hobby and home usage. It has a couple of really cool features as well, such as fixed jaw, graduated ring and in-zero adjustment handwheel, which provides you with a lot of flexibility for your hobby milling or drilling jobs. The worktail on top of it all is well equipped with an adjustable dovetail slot made from an aluminum alloy composition. This is a great addition overall because it allows for minimum space whilst guaranteeing good accuracy. The best thing about this drill press table overall is that if you intend to use it just for hobby projects, then it is best suited for you, and it is extremely good value for money. I would not recommend that you use this tool for heavy-duty industrial use. Another issue with this drill press table is that the set screws might need some adjustments on each of the cross-slide jibs. The reason for this is that it can often shake a bit when in operation, introducing a bit of vibration to the drill area. To do this, you will need to loosen the lock nut on each set screw, and then tightly fasten the set screws on the cross-slide. It is not a difficult fix, but it's something worth considering when buying this drill press table. With that being said, it has a very accurate X and Y movement, and it works very well with 8 to 16-inch drill presses, taking them and then converting them into milling machines. Number 4. FULTON Deluxe 1 to 3/8-inch thick drill press table. The FULTON Deluxe 1 to 3/8-inch thick drill press table is one of the best drill press tables on the market. It comes complete with an adjustable aluminium fence, making it very easy to drill repeatable holes. The sturdy design reduces the effects of vibrations, and furthermore allows you to drill various types of holes and uses for sanding projects, whilst maintaining a high level of accuracy. This one is a real gem. It comes fully equipped with a unique unibody L-shaped aluminium fence that can easily be adjusted, making your drilling experience fantastic overall. It can easily be incorporated into any type of drill press as well, be it a floor or tabletop drill press. It has a unique track-based mounting system, making it very versatile and easy to install. One thing I did not like about this tools, however, is that the installation instructions were not very clear, although if you have knowledge you can intuitively figure it out. However, they could make it slightly clearer overall. What I really like about it is that because of its sturdiness, it can easily accommodate the use of any type of drill bit, from your basic standard 118° standard drill bit to very large multi-tooth Forstner bits. It will produce the same level of stability throughout. The real gem for this drill press table has got to be the 2-0 clearance insert plates. This gives extreme flexibility in that you can even add a sanding drum to your overall configuration, making sanding and drilling a breeze. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.